Here's a quick demo of the VideoExpress.ai application. You can now create any style of video that you desire in just a few clicks from a single text prompt. Let's create two styles of videos complete with automated voiceovers, captions, transitions, and effects in record time. I'll start off with cinematic videos with real humans, and then we will do 3D animated Pixar or Disney style videos. And along the way, I'll show you practical use cases of our other revolutionary features. Let's say you want to create a 3D Disney or Pixar style video. All you need to do is just create the first frame of it, put the prompt. You can even use the extend prompt button right here, and then it's going to generate us this beautiful image, something like this. Now we want to turn this image into a video. All you need to do is just click create video, and then what it's going to do is just going to start creating it without any additional prompting. Let me show you how this looks like. There we go. This is how this looks like. Beautiful. And you can create multiple clips, merge them together, and create beautiful videos. And you can even extend the clip using our built-in length booster application. So this is 3D cartoon. You can also create additional styles, for example, realistic. So let me show you how that works. So let's say we want to turn this photo that we have into a video and create consistent character video. So all I'll do is I'll go in to create from AI, and you see here consistent character. I'll click on that here, and you see there's a reference photo. I'm just gonna drop in that reference photo here. Okay, so I'll just take this photo that you see here, and I'm gonna drop that reference photo here. There you go. I have that option here. Click choose, and then as you can see here, I have that in, and I can say the girl in the field is running, and boom, you can then just go that in, and yes, you can add that video prompt in as well, and then you can click on the create video button right here after you've generated another image style of hers with her consistency if you desire, and then this is how their output looks like. You can do the same thing here. So let's say this was the image that we generated within the application. You can go into any element here. You can go into the consistent character video or the image to video option. For example, let's say if this is the image to video, you're just gonna drop this in this section. For example, you're gonna take this in, you're gonna do this like this, and then you're gonna say the boy is riding his dog like a horse, let's say. Okay, and then just you can put motion speed high in this case because we want high motion, let's say, and just click on create video. Now here's what happens. Here's the result. You can grab multiple elements here. You can add background music, you can add 3D and 2D together. You can create entire stories like what I'm showing you right now. And the beauty is that with the multi-layered editing system, you could have a background score, voiceover, lip sync, you could do anything. You can have these characters talk as well if you desire. You can even stylize your characters. For example, let's say I have this image uploaded in here that I wanted to use. For instance, we go back here into our images, and let's say this, I want to make her into a cartoon character or any photo for that matter, or a 2D character or whatever it might be. So I go in to the create from prompt, again, create with AI, and then here we can go into stylize character, as you can see here. Click on this, click on the reference photo. I'm going to select her photo right here, choose. I'm going to say a 3D princess is standing in front of her castle, and then we'll click on create image. So boom, it's going to start creating an image of her as a princess. You see this with her attributes exactly there, and now you can turn her into video, walking in front of her castle, right? You can just click create video, and then it's going to create her walking in front of the castle. Our video is done. Let's take a look. Here we go. She's just walking about. Beautiful animation. Looks so realistic, like a movie. And then you can just drag her into the timeline, and then you can even add lip sync to her and all that kind of good stuff by using this feature that we have. At any point in any of these features, you can add in this talking photos feature, and then you can add lip sync by creating text to speech or uploaded audio or whatever, and you can basically have any of these characters speak with perfect lip sync using that feature. And on top of that, you can create full-fledged movies if you desire with the built-in multi-layered editor. Let me show you a couple of examples.
Leo couldn't wait. Today, Grandma had a surprise waiting upstairs. They stepped into the attic where dusty treasures waited in silence. Leo looked around in awe, As Grandma whispered, "These are memories." His eyes sparkled as he pointed to a wooden chest full of secrets. With a creak, the chest opened. Inside were stories waiting to be told. Grandma gently held a photo and said, "This was me, long ago." Lily's room was a whirlwind of toys until Dad stepped in with a smile. Lily wasn't excited to clean until Dad turned it into a game. Dad handed Lily a basket time for toy toss time to begin. Lily laughed as she tossed Mr. Snuggles' score 1 for fun.
There's so many other cool features like the ability to increase the length of your video using AI, where it's going to create animations and frames on its own, and also the ability to add text effects, animations, cropping style, or you can convert it into a vertical video and a portrait video. You can remove objects from your scenes and add objects, meaning video in painting using our in painting technology. And on top of that, you also have the ability to actually add background music, text to speech, and so many other cool things that you can do with the videos that you create. It's a full-fledged AI video editing and creation platform right from your computer screen. We also have a really extensive public gallery where you can actually check out all the creations from other VideoExpress AI users, reuse them, get ideas from them, and on top of that, we have an extensive roadmap to make VideoExpress AI the best AI prompt to video application in the planet. So check out all the details below. We're super excited to have you on board. Click on the button below to get started and have fun using VideoExpress AI.